Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So last year I did an awesome devil look. I loved it so much, but this year I think we can take it even further with some face paint. I'm going to be painting myself red today and becoming the demon queen that is within. So without further ado, let's just get started. First I'm going to prime my skin using my Benefit Professional Primer, and then I'm going to add a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter foundation stick on top. Before I add my foundation, I'm going to do the eyes. First, I'm going to prime using my M173 brush and my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Since I'm going to be painting my skin red, I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the Neon Red Makeup a Murder Poison pigment on a flat M224 brush. Now on that same brush, I'm going to dip in You're Kidding from the James Charles X Morphe palette and begin deepening up my crease with that. Now on a dense brush, I'm going to pick up the shades Venetian Red and Red Ochre from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and once again deepen up the crease with those. I'm also going to be dragging my crease out here, right where I did that little spot, and I'm going to wing it out on the outer corner, so it's going to just be like a little wave of color. Alright, I'm going to go back in with You're Kidding and blend that in with the darker reds. Alright, I'm going to deepen it up with a warm brown and then a black shadow, and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to take a Q-tip and some micellar water and cut this crease. Alright, now I'm going to fill this in with some foundation. Now with a M431 brush and that Neon Red Makeup a Murder Poison pigment, I'm first going to wet the pigment to make it more like a paint and put that on the lid. Now for that light layer of foundation. Alright, I'm going to get my brush wet and then dip into the Mehron Red face paint, but I don't want it to be as dark as it is in the pan, so I am going to mix it with some of the Neon Red Makeup a Murder Poison pigment. Oh yeah, that's a lovely shade of red. Alright, I'm going to try to highlight using the white face paint and a little makeup sponge. Alright, now I'm going to take a small brush and that white face paint again and highlight my nose. Okay, I'm going to lightly contour using a long bristled brush and the same brown that we used on the eyes. I'm going to mix in some of the darker reds as well, just to give a good transition from the reds to the brown. Cheekbones for days. We're going to do the same to my nose and the bottom of my lips. I'm going to drag the white paint a little bit closer to my nose. Darken up the temples and around my hairline. Now for lips, I'm going to use a black liquid lipstick and I'm going to overline my Cupid's bow to make it round on the top rather than like heart-shaped. Now I'm going to lightly drag some black eyeshadow underneath my lash line. And I think I might smoke this out a little bit on my upper lash line as well, just on the outer corner. And I'm going to use this pinkish red glitter eyeshadow and use it as highlight. Now I'm going to go in with the white yellow and really focus that. I'm going to take a white gel eyeliner pencil and put this in my waterline just towards the front of my eye. I'm going to drag it underneath my tear duct to create a little bit of like a drag eye. Now I'm going to add some of the NYX glitter primer all on my eyelids. I'm going to take the Glitter Ignite in the JolieBomb.com palette and put that on top. Now for the eyelashes, I'm first going to put little eyelashes that were discarded from other eyelashes, so like you cut off the ends of it. I'm going to use those ends as my lower lashes today. Now for my top lashes, I'm going to try my best to angle it upwards a little bit on my outer corner. I'll show you what I mean by that, like the fox eye look, just like that. So there's a space between my eyelid and my lashes. I'm going to fill that in with some eyeliner. Here's the finished look, guys. I'm really happy with how it turned out, except for this one spot. The face paint kept lifting, so like I'm trying to put it back on, but it just kept lifting, and it wasn't really like taking that spot anymore. But other than that, I'm super happy with the look. I hope you are too. I am so proud to be a Satanist. If you want a video about that, please comment down below and I will happily do one. But without further ado, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Have a safe, social distance Halloween. Bye guys!